2012 Chevy Camaro RS. This is the one that comes with 4 catalytic converters, 2 on each side, right there and right there. Then a factory H-pipe, factory resonators, baby resonators just to cut down on the drone a little bit. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. And we continued it and put some FLOWMASTER Outlaws, 2 of them, race mufflers, 1 on each side, and 4-inch tips. The numbers on the FLOWMASTERs are 325-108 if you guys want to. We should have a link in the description, and hopefully we'll find a link for these tips or something close to them in 4-inch. It came out really beautiful. So we did a muffler delete and a FLOWMASTER 10 series Outlaws. Right there, race mufflers. Hope you guys like it. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. She's up. She's up. Again. Sound decibels. It peaked at 103. Go ahead and back it up. That's perfect for a V6. Those FLOWMASTER Outlaws sound really good on these. Hope you guys like them. Again? There's something else I saw. He's got a glow. The Chevy emblem glows. It's really cool when he presses the brake. Press the brake? That's cool. There it is. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Chevy Camaro. Beautiful car. And you guys, as you guys all know, my favorite color, that dark blue. So it gets props for that too. And it sounds good now. No more quiet.